enjoyed Robert Service, best quotes and inspiring rhymes. So you are going to love this new one. Robert William Service, best poems and quotes, a brand new anthology, selected, illustrated and edited by Charlotte Service-Longépé, by myself. So now, come on, let's have a look inside this new book, this new issue that will probably be part soon of your Robert Service collection. As you already know, the Robert Service anthology was out of stock since the last few years, and I wanted to edit a new, improved version of the book. So you will see that it's much more thicker and much more improved. In this book you will enjoy to find all Robert Service poems you already know about, the most famous ones about the Yukon, the shooting, the cremation, the spell of the Yukon and other famous ones. But you will also discover and will be thrilled to read some less well-known poems, some philosophical writings, some humoristic ones. For instance, have you heard the poem The Pigeon Shooting? They say that Monte Carlo is a sunny place for shady people. Have you heard about the poem, for instance, find that at the end? Oh, one I particularly like. Or buses. Do you heard about this one? I guess probably not. The power behind the race, called human, I dare to deem, is mostly woman. You will be curious to read it entirely. Which one? Oh, The Ape and I. Said a monkey into me, "Oh, I'm glad I'm not you." So you see, it is a way to show how diverse, how varied is Robert Service's talent, because he was able to poetize a lot of different topics. You will find all the poems still selected by thematics, about adventure, about love, about life, philosophy, wisdom, about faith, and to show how he was able to turn into poetry lots of small anecdotes of life, small details, and he was able to make a poem out of it. As you had already a glimpse, the poems are illustrated with pencil graphite drawings in order to take you in a kind of poetic dreamland where poetry, drawing just awaken the imagination. You will find here some drawings inspired from the Yukon, some drawing about prospectors, some other drawings about Brittany. Everything that inspired me, I try to show it in some illustrations. So you will tell me, okay, but what's new in this new book, in this new issue? Well, what is different is that at the end you will find a summarized biography of Robert Service with some never seen pictures except from family archives. Here you have his French driving license, here with his motorbike in Brittany. Some family pictures with his dog Coco in Brittany, here signing, here in Monte Carlo. This book is also different because it contains some short accounts of Robert Service admirers all around the world, in order to show how his poetry is still influencing people everywhere, how they find inspiration, joy in reading Robert Service poetry. And it's fascinating. For instance, here we have the short account of Cats. Cats is really an adventurer. You will not have guessed that not a long time ago, last summer, he paddled along the Yukon River and did all the same expedition that Robert Service did more than a century ago. It's truly fascinating. You have also, the short account of Adam from Whitehorse, and he's an expert in the Sorto cocktail. So there is no surprise that he chose Ballad of the Iceworm cocktail as his favorite one. See, different people from different backgrounds are sharing their experience of Robert Service poems. So here we have the short account of an artist, Jacopo Brancati, who is a renowned international classic photographer. And as an artist, he has chosen Dreams Are Best as his favorite poems, and it's really moving to read about them. Finally, what's new? You have, as an introduction, an analysis of Robert Service's poetic style, about his inspiration, who were his masters, how he was writing, the reason why he was called the Canadian Kipling at the time of his fame, what are his poetic symbols, everything to have the keys to understand Robert Service as a poet. So now it's kind of up to you to find out what is your favorite poem of Robert Service in these pages. And you will have the choice. I wish my verses I could give instead of sell. Unfortunately I must leave, though none too well. But if you borrow, beg or steal this tome to get, I hope that you will never feel the least regret.